Welcome back. Miki Pacheco is firm on leaving the NCP only after informing party supremo Sharad Pawar and Praful Patel. He said that the state unit has no right to direct him to quit the party. Miki claimed that his candidates are ready for all 40 constituencies.
Party leader Sharad Pawar ji, party president, supreme of that party, let him say to me, I know what relationship I got with him, and certainly I don't need their certificate that I should leave. I will live in democratic setup. I will leave as and when I want, but I will certainly am not going to ditch Sharad Pawar. I will make sure that if I'm leaving, I'll make point that I inform Sharad Pawar ji officially and I leave.
Miki claimed that all his candidates are ready for assembly election.
Yes, I made all my candidates ready, all the 40 constituencies. Well, see, it's up to me. There's still time, election time. I'm making my force ready. What I got in my hand, that's what I'm making on way.
On the NCP bench?
No. How can I make an NCP bench?
Miki said that Betal Bhatti mega convention was a hit because of him and not because of the NCP.
My face is party. Miki is the party. See, you got to understand, when I had a convention in Betal Bhatti, people did not turn up because of NCP convention. People came because of Miki's convention, because Miki organized the convention.
A reporter from Majolda, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Now, Pedne police will have file a police complaint against Jitendra Deshprabhu, Ritesh Naik and others for illegal mining at Bhaid Korgaon. Kashinath Shetye and 2 other members had filed a plea at JMFC Pedne.
Kashinath Shetye and 2 other members had approached the JMFC Pedne to direct Pedne police to lodge a complaint against Jitendra Deshprabhu and contractor Ritesh Naik along with Director of Mines and Chairman of Goa State Pollution Control Board. This complaint is following an illegal mining carried out at Bhaid Korgaon at Pedne. This land where mining is carried out belongs to Rao Raje Deshprabhu. Now the court has directed Pedne police station to file a police complaint against all these persons in connection with illegal mining. Directorate of Mines has fined Deshprabhu and snapped a whopping 1.72 crores fine. Apart from this fine, no action was taken. Pedne police has initially refused to entertain Kashinath Shetye's complaint against Deshprabhu and others. Even SP North and Anti-Corruption Bureau did not lodge his complaint. As a last resort, Kashinath Shetye had approached the court. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Residents of Marbhat, Madgaon have complained of illegal landfilling in their area. They claim that sewage water is accumulated due to landfilling. Now they fear a spread of an epidemic in the area. However, Deputy Collector of Madgaon, Johnson Fernandez, says that the landfilling is not illegal.
Landfilling is carried out at Malbert Madgaon from past many days. Locals claim it as illegal. They claim it has blocked the sewage water pipeline and as such the water is accumulated in the area. They fear spread of epidemics in the area. One of the concerned residents, Gulshan Sheikh, has taken cognizance of matter and has complained to the local authorities. However, she claims that authorities have failed to take necessary action.
आमी साइडीन आमची बिल्डिंग आसा सो थंय सामकें रावपा जायना म्हणून हांवें ती कंप्लेंट दिल्ली कोणूच एक्शन घेवपाक तयार ना
कशें कितें जालें
पावस लँड फिलिंग केला हांगा सायडीन प्रॉपर्टी आसा पळय ती पीटी शीट नंबर 262 आनी 263 इल्लीगल फिलिंग केला एक 1.5 मीटर सुमार कमीत कमी एक 300 ट्रक तरी हाडून घातले हांगा आनी ते फिलिंग केला आनी थंय उदक उरला
तो प्रॉब्लेम
थंय क्रिएट जाला थंय पायपां आसा थंय पळय थंय ब्लॉक केल्या तेणें सगळें ते ओपन कर म्हणल्यार तेंय बी करना तो.
We met Deputy Collector of Madgaon, Johnson Fernandez. He said that it is not illegal. He also informed us that it is not violating any rules and guidelines of Town and Country Planning Act.
Be filling up more than 50 centimeters or of half a meter. But in this particular case, it is to the extent of just 1 foot, and that is why it is not attracting the provisions of Section 17A. And hence, Section 17A of the Town and Country Planning Act, and hence we have not taken any action on that. Amounting to filling up land as per the definition of Section 17A, I would not call it as filling up land at all. In any event, if that a person is doing something which is going to assist in prevention of vector-borne diseases, this attempt should in fact be appreciated. It is not only for his benefit or for any other person's benefit, it is going to benefit the locality at large.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
It seems like there is no corruption in Goa government. The RTI information by advocate Iris Rodrigues reveals that only 2 government officials are booked by anti-corruption branch in the year 2010. This information has been revealed by Department of Vigilance, Government of Goa.
P.K. Patidar, Registrar of Cooperative Societies, and Subhash Ray Patalati at Mamlatdar office in Kepe are the only 2 persons booked for corruption in 2010. This information was revealed by Anti-Corruption Branch, Department of Vigilance. Advocate Iris Rodrigues had sought information under Right to Information Act. This information suggests 2 things. 1. No corruption in Goa government, and 2. Non-functional anti-corruption branch. Seems like picture will be clear only after Goa gets its top priority, that is setting up of Lokayukt. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.